name's Jason Humbolt. I'm gonna run 48 miles this weekend, and I'm out of breath. Running up, I'll be walking back. So, I'm a construction worker, so I do heavy construction, run equipment, that sort of thing. I am not your typical runner. This is not what I signed up for. In 2018, my daughter at 4 years old was diagnosed as a type 1 diabetic. So that's what managing diabetes, you don't get a choice whether or not you want a kid with a health problem. So in 2020, in December 2020, it was 25th and 26th. My wife is a registered nurse and at NICU, so she was in Saskatoon working. So I had the kids at home over Christmas, and my daughter's sugars, normal level is between 4 and 6 for a normal person. She was in the 20s, and I was giving her more insulin than I'd ever given her. It was like 2 straight days through Christmas and Boxing Day that I couldn't get her straight milk. You're going on no sleep. You're just doing everything you can to not give too much because you're concerned about lows, because if she goes low, we had to deal with seizures before of going low, and that's not ever something I want to experience again. So late 2020, we went through this. We figured out she was sneaking chocolate candies, and it was on us of not making food enough. So we learned our lesson from that as parents and caregivers, that it isn't about that. It's just let us know everything's okay. So she's 11 years old now. In 2021, I came across this 4x4x48 ultramarathon where I run 4 miles every 4 hours for 48 hours. So on Friday night, tomorrow night, I'm going to start at 8 p.m. and run my first leg, which for me, I'm not a runner. I do about 7.5 minute kilometers. I am not a quick runner. It takes me 45 to 50 minutes to finish a leg. And then I have a break until midnight. We do our next 4 miles. Which ends, once that one's done, another 45, 50 minutes. I do another one at 4 a.m., at 8 a.m., at 12 noon, 4 p.m., 8 p.m. And we go all the way until Sunday at 4 o'clock. I finish the last run. The first year, I've never been more scared of failing. It was just, it was something that I kind of put myself out there of, here's a fat construction worker going for a jog, and like you were so afraid of letting everyone down. But I finished the first one. I was the only one to do it. This year we have 18 runners signed up that want to try to complete the whole thing. In the last 4 years, we've raised over $260,000 for research into drift camp for the doctor that is very close to having a cure. You're protected. That's amazing. So I appreciate everything you guys did, the time you put in while you get these together.
We'll give you this here. Yeah. So yeah, the cool part about this, so I don't know how many people the shop saw we go through, but we're definitely under the wire here. But so this includes yours then from the previous years, so you got that complete, awesome. And then all of the ones there too. So yeah, we're it's a pleasure to try to help out. That's for sure. So
I appreciate it so much.
Betcha.
Thank you very much.
Anyway, thanks, Jason.
It's awesome.
You betcha. Thanks for talking to you.